Ka-office jong District School Education Officer West Khasil District menta kasngi ka santrik unay luar kalayo ban rakia penon buram ya kasngi bakerpang jong kinong hikai lani ka teachers de ka ban repuai ya ka te ka jing rakia layo ban pelong hapo Vanis Hall St. Peter's pendeng rei hakaba wemeli ka Longstone uba Macmillan besar ulalong kumukongsan haringkat ka jing don lang uba HK thaba ADC ke officer kinong hikai bat kina school hakani kasngi layo ru ban tukup buram ya anut kinong hikai ki layo priang ya ka district award bakan thup ya ubabu ba e bor Victor Mirthong na Anderson Higher Secondary School bat ubabu Horman Roy Lingkhoy na Church of God LP School bat kumjuru ya ba Damian Longstang kum ubes Scout Master ukongsan na ba ajingkran ula ay kajing yaro ya kinong siang ya ka school sipsing hanong pendeng bat ya ka Anderson ha upper New Longstang ki balapan kaladur ya ka puli ka puthi ha kathan shosho ula ay buram ru ya kinong hikai ki bala ajing start ya ki baro namar ha kajing start ka download baro kintup ya kaspa kajing kot kajing khia bat ula kenturu ya kena school bakin buram ya kinong hikai bat kime kipa kumjuru ya kinong hikai bat kime kipa kide ban pensan ya kena school ha kalenti ka badai.
Teachers is truly the part of the children. The second part of the children, of the student, without teachers, I think even myself, I was not happy to be like today. Just because of teachers, just because of our parents. Because we always consider that the teachers is our parents. I call upon all the students of different schools in our districts that we should obey, we should cooperate, we should love our teacher like we love our mother.
Who really contribute for the growth of education. Number one, I want to mention the focus scheme of Northside. Shifting scheme of Northside. He was just because of the scheme of Northside, shifting scheme of Northside. First, he was initially started the shifting government high school in Northside. But you have seen, shifting started today just because of him. Number two, just for the last few weeks, one of the eminent personality of our area, the eminent personality of our state, just for the last few weeks, we have lost it. That is Bak Anderson Singh. We used to call him Bahan. Just because of him, we have seen Anderson in his system.